Hello everyone. This topic is introduction to neural network clustering tool. Here neural network clustering means the clustered data by training a self-organizing map in the network. Here to solve a clustering problem with neural network tool in pattern recognition problems, we want to neural networks to group data similarity. Here this you can select the neural networks app lead you through a solving clustering problem using self-organizing map. Here this app also provides the option to generate various deployable versions of your trained network. For example, you can deploy the trained network using MATLAB compiler, MATLAB coder or Simulink coder. What is that command prompt for getting neural network clustering tool is in command window you type nc tool. If you type nc tool and start, you will get this window. Here third one is nc tool. If you type nc tool in command window, you will get the window like this to solve a clustering problem with self-organizing map. Here previous two networks are having input layer, hidden layer and output layer and outputs. Here there is only one layer, it is called self-organizing map, that is SOIM map, not with bias. Okay, here in clustering problem you want a neural network to group your data by its similarity. For example, market segmentation done by grouping people according to their buying patterns. That's a data mining can be done partitioning data into related subsets, or bioinformatic analysis such as grouping genes with related expression patterns. The neural clustering app will help you select the data, create and train a network and evaluate its performance using a variety of visualization tools. The self-organization map, this SOIM map, consists of a competitive layer which can classify a data set of vectors with any number of dimension into as many classes as the layer as neurons. The network is trained with the SOIM batch algorithm. The SOIM batch algorithm is used here. Here get the input and target, from workspace also. Apply input and output target. This is now you taken as simple clustered database as input. The clustering is the process of training a neural network on patterns so that the network comes with its own classification according to pattern, similarity and relative topology. This tool is useful for gaining insight into data or simplifying it before further processing. Here the sample cluster inputs are 1000 samples of 2 elements. The input value is only taken, not is target value. Input is cluster inputs 2 cross 1000 matrix, so that your elements are 1000 samples of 2 elements. Here this is the network architecture, standard network architecture for clustering. Here the normal size of the SOIM size of the dimensional map also 10. Here for clustering problem, and the self-organization feature map is most commonly used network because after the network has been trained, there are many visualization tools can be used to analyze the resulting clusters. This network has one layer with 2 neurons organized in a grid. Next process, train the network using this neural network clustering tool. Train the network to learn the topology and distribution of the input samples. So what is the purpose of this training is to train the network to learn the topology and distribution of the input samples. Here train the using batch SOIM algorithm. The training multiple times will generate different results due to different initial conditions and sampling. Here there are so much retrain we have to done to get the accurate result. The training multiple times will generate results, different results due to different initial conditions and sampling. Here we can see the results. What are the results we are going to visualization tools? 4 tools are there. Plot SOIM neighbor distance, plot SOIM weight plans, plot SOIM sample hits, plot SOIM weight position also there. Here the training automatically stops when the full number of approaches have occurred. Here this is a neural network training tool. Train the network using batch weights and batch rule training algorithm. Here the algorithm part and training, performance and calculation. Here training part is we are by using batch weight bias rules algorithms used for training. Here performance is evaluated by mean square error. Here you see the neural network input is 2, the output, the samples, taken samples are 100, the output is 100. Investigate some of the visualization tools for the SOM under the plots pan. Click SOM sample leads. This is if you click SOM sample leads, you will get the clear output for this one. Here what are the available plots available in this tool? SOM topology, you can see SOM neighbor corrections, SOM neighbor distances, and SOM input planes, SOM sample leads, and SOM weight position. These are the two plots are by using these plots you can evaluate the performance of the neural network. That is a clustering network, this one. And this is the plot, is output plot, SOM training plot of the clustering network. This is SOM sample lead. It is available by clicking this one, SOM sample leads. Sample leads, you will get the squared pattern, hexagonal squared pattern. These figures, these are hexagon is called a neuron. The figure shows the neuron locations in the topology and indicates how many of the training data are associated with each neurons. There are I think the 22 input vectors are there. Now numbers are indicated there. Here maximum input vectors is 22. Here for SOM training, the weight vector associated with each neurons move to become the center of cluster of input vectors. The topology is 10 by 10 grid. This is a 10 by 10 grid. So that number of possible neuron is 100 neurons. The maximum number of its associated with any neuron is 22. Thus, there are 22 input vectors in that cluster. The default topology of the SOM map is hexagonal. It is called our SOM sample leads. Then next pattern is SOM displaying weight plans using this clustering tool. This weight plans shows the input 1 and input 2. This figure shows the weight plan for each element of the input vectors 2 in this case. Their visualization of the weights that connect each input to each of the neurons. Darker colors represent the larger weights. Here next step is evaluate the network using this neural network clustering tool. Optionally the test network on more data, then decide if network performance is good enough. Here at this point you can test the network against with new data. You can adjust the network size, adjust the input larger data size, or retrain again and increase the number of neurons, or get the larger training test if you are not satisfied with the network performance. Here you can generate a deployable version of trained neural network. Here by using this panel you can generate the MATLAB function or simulating diagram of your neural network. You can use the generated code diagram is better to understand the neural network outputs from inputs, or deploy the network with MATLAB compiler tools and other MATLAB code generation tools. Here you can save the result as a simple script or advanced script. You can click the simple script or advanced script to create a MATLAB code that can be used to reproduce all of the previous steps from the command line. Creating the MATLAB code can be helpful if you want to learn how to use the command line functionality of the toolbox to customize the training process. Next session we are going to see the introduction to neural network time series tool. Thank you.